According to the American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology, as many as 30% of adults and 40% of children are affected by allergies. Those are big numbers, and most likely you or someone you love suffers with allergies. Well, I say let's put an end to the runny noses, the scratchy throats, and the itchy eyes with the help you'll find at Gainesville Medical Centers. Here's Jen Hernandez.
An allergy is the response that a person has when they're exposed to something in the environment that their body doesn't like. This can manifest in the form of hives, itchy, watery eyes, runny nose, congestions, all the way up to things that are more severe and life-threatening like anaphylactic shock. The two most common types of allergies that we look for here are environmental allergies, which include weeds, trees, grass, mold, and pet dander, as well as the most common food items. This includes dairy, wheat, corn, and soy.
Jen, I have so many friends who suffer with allergies. I mean, there are certain times a year where they literally can't go out of doors. Is there real treatment for these people?
There really is, and we're actually really glad to be able to help our community both with food and environmental allergies. A lot of people think they just need to take their daily allergy medication, but really our goal is to get people off of their medication by doing a simple allergy test where we apply the allergens onto their skin for the top 60 environmental allergens as well as the top 60 food items that people are typically allergic to. If people are allergic to it, we can usually test for it, whether it's the things I just mentioned or medications like penicillin, metals, and even chemicals.
What's the treatment look like?
The treatment will look different depending on what people are allergic to. If they're allergic to things like different foods or metals, then what we're going to do is educate them on avoidance of these items as well as elimination of these from their diet. If they're allergic to things in the environment like weeds, trees, grass, and mold, we can administer immunotherapy in the form of a typical allergy shot or even sublingual drops. The immunotherapy is actually the allergen itself. It gets diluted down to where you're administering a very small dose of this and then increasing it over time based on how their body responds. What we're trying to do is build up their immune system to be able to tolerate that allergen.
And what are you seeing for your typical results?
Usually people are able to go out in their yards and cut their grass, do their yard work without wearing a mask or without having to take their medication or being sick for days afterwards. Anyone who's compliant with their immunotherapy plan can expect to get at least a 50% reduction in their symptoms. But our goal would be to cure that person of their allergies.
My allergies have been ongoing for around 4 to 5 years now. When I came in and I did my panel, they told me about a whole host of allergies I didn't even know that I had. So I've been in treatment just over a year, and it has been an absolute 180. It's great.
Now, is this elective or is this covered by insurance?
Traditional allergy testing is covered by insurance as well as immunotherapy.
Are there any other opportunities within this practice?
One of the newer services that we're offering is a neurostimulator treatment. It's actually a small device that is placed behind and on the ear, and it works with small electrodes sending energy impulses throughout the body to help reduce pain. The goal is to get people off of their pain medication or at least be able to reduce their dosing.
So we've had quite a few patients who've seen great results using the neurostimulator for pain in the back and the neck, for arthritic joint pain in all areas of the body, including the hips and knees, also spinal stenosis, cancer, migraines. We found pain relief completely in as few as one application. These people are feeling more independent and like they are now contributing to their family again.
I have been experiencing back pain for years, and I was in such pain that I could hardly sit. I got the first stimulator on, and I walked out here and could feel the difference. After I got home, amazingly, I was able to bend or pick a leaf off the floor, and I had not been able to do that. It has just been tremendous.
Say goodbye to allergies, headaches, joint pain, and so much more with Gainesville Medical Centers. If you'd like more information, just go to their website, GainesvilleMedicalCenters.com.